All right, we are recording. Thanks for joining once again. This is one of my very first unboxing videos, and what I have in front of me is a brand new set of AirPods Pro. I have not owned a set of these before, and I bought them with my own money. So, just making sure you guys can see it. I was going to purchase these from Mercari or some other, reseller site, but everybody was just, it all seemed like scams. Nobody could get past the questions that I had. So I ended up nixing that, and I found a great deal on these, so they weren't retail, which is great. Now, the purpose of this product for me is to replace my Beats. Pardon me. And I've had my Beats for a long time. They've served me very well, but lately I find I just don't have the time or ability to, put these on and block everyone out. So I needed something a little more simple. And I really enjoy my AirPods. So I've got a regular set of AirPods. They're great, and these are kind of my go-to. So I wanted something to isolate and give me a better sound experience for when I do have a little bit of time. And I just want it to be simple, where I've got options. If I need to be able to hear somebody talking to me, I can quickly do that. And it's a clean package. So I looked around, and even in 2021, looking around, these were one of the main options. And it was crazy to me that this is still one of the main options. Most of the other solutions for this market, I guess, have some other caveat that I just wasn't willing to deal with. And the Sony WF-1000s were the closest competitor. But when it comes down to it, I mainly use Apple products, and to be able to switch back and forth and all the junk that you get with Apple was a better deal for me. So I know that, the Sonys are going to have a little bit better sound quality over these guys. That's been reported quite a bit. And that's fine with me, I just need something a little bit better than AirPods, that I can quiet the surround noise out when I need to, but that's still convenient. And this fits the bill for me. Even in 2021, I just couldn't find anything better. So that's what I got. And I thought that my unboxing is going to be unlike most that you've probably seen. So I really enjoy unboxing products. And usually I purchase things a little bit used to get a discount, because I'm a cheap wad. I was gonna use a different word, but I didn't. So without further ado, let's crack into this fantastic case. And the other thing was, I purchased from a reputable buyer. I went to not eBay. I went to Best Buy, and that way I know I've got an authentic product and I can check it out online. So let's do it. And I think I'm going to switch back and forth from my cameras. So some of it should be dual screen and some of it's single. And actually, I think before I jump into it, I want to talk about the reason why I enjoy my AirPods so much. And the original AirPods are still the main thing that I carry, and I think that they'll continue to be the main thing I carry, because like on a daily basis, because I'm able to pop these in. They've got an open back. They connect really quick. I can listen to something on a single side, or I can listen to it on the other side, or both. And it just suits a lot of different needs that I found useful. So these are in no way the best sounding, you know, truly wireless earbuds, and they don't have the greatest battery life. There's really nothing that incredible about them. But the one wow factor that really got me and that ended up selling me on this product, the reason that I didn't return these is because of the convenience. I found that they were a major add to my process. The way that I consume content, these fit very well. So I just wanted something to be able to, you know, give me that convenience, but then take it to the next level for the quality part. So that's the why behind AirPods. And really the magic in that product is that they are just so simple to deal with. My main set is a wireless charging set, so I just set it on the charger, it charges up, and then I go about my business. So here we go. This is literally the first time I've seen or held one of these in person. So everything is new for this product and my review. And I know it's been a few years, but who cares, right? This is gonna be cool. So here we go. As we take the plastic off. I'm gonna be smelling at each step. This actually has, a lot of times you get that that sort of printer paper smell, like that new, which is great, but this has a bit of a sweet undertone. I think I'm a little overexcited right now. The other thing about these is they happen to be, I happen to have like reward points. So it was an even better deal than it could have been. So here we go. The first unboxing. There's some resistance. That's got like that has a hit to it, man. It really registers in the back of the noggin. That's something else. You gotta huff it. If you're not into huffing the brand new scent, you gotta try it. You gotta try it. It's just something else. It's something out of this world. So this one has a retail smell unlike most of their other products. This actually, a lot of their other ones have this almost, the smell of recycled materials, but this one is more of that scent from really fresh styrofoam. Not styrofoam, like foam wrap, and I don't think there's any in here. And that's that sweet, whew, a little bit plasticky. Okay, we got to move past the sniff test because it's fantastic. I'm in a whole deal here. So we've got the packet with all the different paperwork here next. It says AirPods Pro. Oh man, oh whew, these sting. They are pungent. They're quite pungent. Especially this little, like, it's almost like Bible paper, you know? Come on. Really grippy, a really grippy texture. Does this not come with a sticker? I don't really care about the sticker, but I just like to make sure everything's there. Okay, so here we go. We're putting the paperwork right back in here, which I never really use, so. And I don't know if it's helpful to have, to kind of point out all the little spots where they make writings and stuff, but again, I was so worried that I was gonna get, scammed. I ended up not really being able to enjoy the whole shopping experience, so there's that. Now, we've got the actual See again, whew. And I'm just comparing the weight. Comparing the weight right now. They both have a very nice weight. Okay, you gotta clear it out, you know? Gosh, this is, this scent is almost like barbecue. Like a diesel truck driving by. You know that sweet smell that you can smell whenever there's a diesel truck is running rich? It's kind of like that. All right. I have faint smoke on my hands as well, so it's kind of adding to the experience. Highly recommend. I was grilling a steak up, and so the smoke from that steak is kind of enriching the entire experience. The first time opening, oh yeah, we got a lot of strong scents going on. It's a different sound. We're gonna check out the pairing process in real time, because I have not done this yet. So I'm interested to see, because the ones that I was looking at that you're supposed to watch out for, I think they say not your AirPod Pros. And the real ones, I think, just say AirPod Pros. I'm not sure which it is, so I'm just gonna see. I know this one's authentic because I got it from a reputable dealer. AirPod Pros. I know they're backwards. They're connecting. Media control. Squeeze, noise control, press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. And the control center, obviously you've got more controls in there. This is just going through a nice, simple sort of tutorial. All right, set up Hey Siri. Let's not. The other thing that I like about these so much is that the only part getting hot is your inner ear canal, which with bulky headphones, your inner ear canal is getting hot as well. But I mean, this is just, your whole ear is overheating. I'm dying in these things. They're, after, especially on a hot day like today, I cooled this room down just a little bit. These would be too hot. This would be too much after 30 minutes. But these are very manageable. They're comfortable. Oh, they're both playing. Oh, I wasn't sure if you take the, I'm scared to take the tip off. Oh. No, I'm not gonna. I was gonna take it off, but now I'm like, no. Why would I? I have the click from holding it. Okay, now I can hear the transparency mode. I'll keep playing the music so I can kind of hear my own voice. I don't mind it.